So since we could not have class today, I'm asking you to do a bit of research ahead of time for tomorrow. Um, Basically, I have shared a document, so I've sent a link to this document where you can write any notes that you have um, about food waste and also about eating meat versus vegetarian. So you could either write in this document or you can write your own paper notes. But if you can write into this document, that would be great. So really it's quite simple. It's very similar to what the people on the computers were doing on Monday. So the two main things we're looking for is uh, if people should eat meat or vegetarian, and any numbers or information you have from that. In addition, anything about food waste. And so when you're searching, you can also try to type in environment after to get some more environment related results. Or so here are two kind of examples that actually the research group already came up with on Monday. So you guys can take a look. And definitely I appreciate if you guys could, maybe take a couple minutes, try to look something up and put maybe a bullet point or two down so we can um, come up with some suggestions, some things that we think are, yes, this is what we think is good, and we want to tell everyone else about. Um, so, thank you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.